Hey everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I hope you're enjoying the fall weather and staying safe at your home. Today I'm planning to do the fall decor in brown tones. So I got the stuff that are brown in color and that could go with the fall theme. So the things that I'm going to use for this project are all from Dollar Tree, and this is one of the Harvest blessing sign, and this is one of the home sign, and this is one of the ceramic pumpkin brown color, and this is one of the burlap ribbon, and I also have this brown burlap ribbon. This is one of the juice bottles that I had, and so I thought like this goes with the theme, so I'm going to decorate this also as a part of the project. And also this one is a wooden card from Dollar Tree, and I spray painted a brass color, gold, and mixed a little bit with brown, and I spray painted this in this color so it goes well with the theme. And I also have some fall decorative fillers in it. So yeah, these are the things I'm going to use for this project. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back, you guys. These are the final result of all the projects for the brown themed fall decor. So that's a color that I want to give in this project. So let me start with this cute bottle. This is actually one of the juice bottles. So it's brown in color, so it's going along with the theme. So I thought like I would decorate like just like a flower vase or something. So yeah, I just had two of this florals, which is like fall theme inspired ones. So I just inserted that, and I'm going to decorate just like this. It turned out really cute. I didn't have to put any efforts in it. And the next one is the ceramic pumpkin. It is so cute. After I just added some of the orange jute twine around it, and then I had like it's just highlighting the brown color more. So I thought I should do this. And then I also cut one of the fall leaf into two, and then I stuck it like that. just like the leaf of the pumpkin. So yeah, this is how I'm going to decorate. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. And the next one is this a home decor. I just had this harvest blessing sign, and this is one of the home sign, and I wanted to decorate the home sign just like this with a burlap ribbon around the home and on the top of the home. And I attached one of the fall leaf, and I had like a jute twine. I just made a bow, and I attached an acorn on the top of the house just to give like a cute decor. And I created a bow from the fall theme inspired ribbon, which is brown in color, and it's got like orange fall leaves on it. So I just created a bow, and I'm going to decorate just like this on this corner of the house. And this side I just stuck two of the pumpkins, one orange and one shiny brown. And I also have like two green flowers in front of the house. So this is how I'm going to decorate the house this time. And the next one, which is my very favorite one, this is like a wooden box that I got from Dollar Tree, and I spray painted with brass gold and some light brown color on top of it to just give to go along with the theme. And I attached four of the wooden pieces just to give the wheels. I wanted to give a wagon look to it, so I attached four wooden pieces on the bottom to just give the wheels of the wagon. And I stuffed with the haystack inside that, and I have some of the raffia just to give a straw look to it. And I had some of the fall leaves and fall flowers and some of the pumpkins. And I had this tag clothespin, chalkboard tag clothespin, and I wrote like pumpkin for 25 cents with chalkboard pen. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna decorate next to the house. It's like a farmhouse where you are selling pumpkins in the farm. So these are the few simple and easy projects that I want to show here. And yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed working along with these projects. I hope you also enjoyed working along with me. And yeah, let me know which one is your favorite, and if you have any suggestions that you want to throw towards my channel, you can leave it in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And yeah, please click on the bell icon for me, and so you can get the notifications when I upload any videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.